Matapik ang papunta sa Romatia. Matapik ang papunta sa Romatia. At after 1 hour ay natapos na din ang nadi ng bata. Ang nadi niya is only 30 minutes kasi nga late kaming dumating. Dapat yung nadi niya ay from 6:30 to 7:30. Pero dumating kami dito sa location and ito ay 7 o'clock na, kaya 30 minutes lang yung nadi niya for today's video. Ngayon pauwi na kami at how was your nadi today?
Pikachu.
Good?
Yes, but I want
what?
a strong power.
Yung nagnanadi siya pero yung laman, yung nasa isip niya wala dun sa kanyang English class.
Let
Ang
me
nasa
set
isip
for
niya
them.
ay
Let me set for your friend.
Laruan.
Let me set for
Okay, yeah, let's tell.
Tomorrow, when my Mama Dalal will bring me from school,
Okay.
Inshallah, I will go with her. There is Bakala in Salmiya. My school in Salmiya.
Okay.
There is Bakala. I will buy the same
Powerful.
like this. Same like this. Wait.
I will show them.
Same like this.
Same like this.
Pikachu.
Pikachu yung ano.
But it's have too much strong power.
Okay.
The black one.
Inshallah tomorrow.
Yeah,
Can I show them to my friend? Can I show them? Ito
this
yung gusto
one
niya.
power. This one is power.
Yung batang mahilig sa sticker.
320 power.
Oh really?
Yeah.
That's powerful because it's 300.
Not power.
Parang
Wow!
ang
Let's see them. Let's see them.
No, Papa. Don't open the snake. The police will catch us.
Nana, can you close this? Wow! Pikachu!
Then, how many times I told you in the morning that I don't want drama? Sa wala. Because it's not good to go to school with a drama. Yung alaga mo na hindi makahintay magdating sa bahay.
It's like
Ito lang sa sasakyan, inopen niya yung kanyang laruan. You're really excited to open the toys. The cards. Ito yung cards na binili niya. Da? Then what are you going to do with this? What are you going to do with this? Just do like this, like that?
No, but then I will tell you.
Okay, then the house, tell me, okay? So that I know what to do with this card.
Tomorrow I will tell you.
Okay, tomorrow. When we will go to school tomorrow morning, while going there, tell me, okay?
No, I will
Ciao.
tell you.
What do you want to tell? After tomorrow. Tomorrow is Tuesday.
After they get it tomorrow, Tuesday.
I think tomorrow you have Nadi. Quran.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
Then, what the Pakala.
Lagol. Wati. Lagol. Di ka lang telepon mama talaga. Oh, wati.
At pagkatapos ng isang oras, pauwi na kami at hanggang dito na lang ang aking video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga kaganapan ko dito sa bansang Arab. Bye-bye and masala.